PJ. What's up? This is a Volvo 2004 S40. Just a little quick thing while we have the engine out. This is how to change the belts real fast. You need a T50. You need a T50 torx bit. Put it in there. You're gonna want to hit it all loud and shit. You're going to go counterclockwise. It's gonna take the tension off. Takes the belt off. It's a little shitty. PJ just put this on, so that's why he's looking at me funky, because I wanted to make this video real quick. That's the first belt.
We was done!
And you got two belts. And right under the tensioner, you got another T50. And this one you're gonna go counterclockwise. And it's gonna take that off. Take that off right there. And that's it. This is a Volvo. And that's how you do it. Then go backwards. Let's watch PJ do this real quick.
Already had this done. But he wanted to make a film just for y'all.
So the people can see. Now it's going back on. Let's see how you put this back on.
It's two belts. This one has two pulleys. It's going to go on the back one. Again. So.
Hold on, you did it wrong.
Probably.
There you go. Now you're good. Around.
Like that, right?
Yep. It goes around. Nope. It goes under. Now you're right. It goes. You're making me laugh.
Okay. There.
This way. Nope. There you go.
Boom.
Like that. And then this is going to go behind the pulley. And then that's going to go over. Release the tension. Make sure it's on all the grooves. Boom. The other one's the opposite way. Throw that on there. Clockwise. Everything fits really snug. Voila!
I didn't get it. Can you do it again?
All right.